Alright, in this video, I will be talking about times of the day in Urhobo. So, Abakiro, that is, listen. Morning, Urioke. Urioke dete. Oke nyoko koke bo. Kukuruku. That means, when it is morning time, you will hear the cock crowing. Kukuruku. Now, pronounce the word after me. Urioke. Urioke, that is morning. Urioke. Afternoon. Urhobo. I repeat again. Urhobo. Afternoon. Urhobo. Evening. Urhobo. Look at the mouth again. Urhobo. Okay, Chloe? Yes. Akbar myself over. Urhobo. Evening. Urhobo. Night. Aso. Midnight. Ìpèrìrì aso. Midnight. Ìpèrìrì aso. That is midnight. Early in the morning. Urhobo. Early in the morning, Urhobo. Now, when you wake up in the morning, you will greet your parents. Migwo oseme for your dad, migwo onime for your mom, or umamurioke oseme, umamurioke onime. In the afternoon, Urhobo oseme, Urhobo onime with your elder Opakome Urhobo. When you're about to sleep at night, you cannot tell your friend, anybody around you, say Tode. Tode means that till tomorrow. Alright, that is what I have for you in this short video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and most importantly to subscribe to my channel. Urhobo.